Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to transfer Duo Mobile to new app using your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Duo Mobile app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on three line at the top left corner of your screen. Then tap on settings. Once you are in settings, Duo will start the transfer process. Tap on connect a new phone. Next, grab a new iPhone and open Duo Mobile. When the app opens, tap Get Started. Then choose Transfer Account from another device. Your new phone will now be ready to receive your account. Go back to your old phone. You will see a QR code on the screen. Use your new iPhone to scan the QR code. This securely copies your Duo account to the new device. Once the scan is complete, wait a few seconds. You should now see all your Duo protected accounts appear on your new iPhone. To make sure everything looks good, try logging into a website that uses Duo. When the push notification comes to your new phone, tap Upgrade. If it works, you are all set. And that's it. You have successfully transferred Duo Mobile to your new iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.